electrical parameters such as potential difference, current, conductance, etc. of the sample under analysis. So sensors are devices, electrochemical sensors are devices which are used to measure electrical parameters such as it may be potential difference or current or conductivity difference of the sample which we are analyzed. The sensor which is measure the potential difference is called potentiometric sensor, and which measure the current is called amperometric sensor. Amperometric sensor. The sensor which is measure the potential difference is called potentiometric sensor, and then which measure the current is called amperometric sensor. Electrochemical sensors produces an electrical signal which is related to the sample under study. It produces an electrical signal which is related to the sample under the study. Biological processes such as analysis of glucose in blood and urea are analyzed by potentiometric or amperometric sensors. So either potentiometric or amperometric. So if we are measuring potential difference, that is the potentiometric sensor. If we measure the current difference, amperometric sensor. Best example for sensors for you, easy way. If you are going to the 5-star hotels, and then lights will be on automatically whenever we enter into the room with our temperature difference. Automatically it will be on. So when we come out, lights will be off. These are working with sensors. Suppose if you are going to the airports, automatically doors will be open if you are going towards the door. After you are crossing the door, it will be automatically closed. These are what the principle of sensors. These are some easy examples for sensors. Many sensors are there to determine not only glucose, not only uric acid, whatever it may be. I mean, in our medicinal applications, sensors with medicine, in medicine, there is a lot of advantages are there for heart strokes, identification, everything. Many advantages are there. Now we will discuss potentiometric sensor. A potentiometric sensor is a type of chemical sensor which may measure potential difference of an electrode when there is no current flow. When there is no current flow. So it is used to determine electrical concentration of a gas or solution. Working electrode and the reference electrode gives potential differences which is measured by the potentiometer. So here we are using ion selective electrode as a working electrode, reference electrode. Silver chloride electrode is the reference electrode to complete the electrical circuit. And the sensor measure the potential difference between two electrodes is shown here. So this is the solution. Glass membrane here. Here glass membrane, here liquid junction is there. So we are changing. Previously we discussed many times glass electrode is used to measure the pH of the solution, taken as an ion selective electrode and connected with reference electrode. Now we will discuss analysis of glucose in blood. Analysis of glucose in blood. For analysis of glucose in blood, glucose sensor which is a potentiometric sensor, is used. Here glucose is converted into ions. Glucose is converted into ions. But first here, glucose is whatever ions formed, which is detected by ion selective electrode. Glucose is converted into ions, which is detected by ion selective electrode. Glucose is oxidized into gluconic acid here. So glucose, if we are adding some amount of oxygen in presence of glucose oxidase enzyme, glucose oxidase enzyme converted into the gluconic acid and hydrogen peroxide. So here glucose is converted into ions, which is detected by ion selective electrode. Glucose is oxidized into gluconic acid in presence of glucose oxidase enzyme, which further undergoes decomposition and gives H+ ions, which are detected by pH electrode. So here gluconic acid and then hydrogen peroxide is formed. Formed hydrogen peroxide undergoes reaction at the electrode as shown below. Here hydrogen peroxide in presence of ion selective electrode, it dissociates into H+ ions and then oxygen is released. At the same time, electrons are released. H+ ions is measured by pH meter, that is glass electrode, and a potential difference is set up between glass electrode and reference electrode, which is sensed by potentiometric sensor, which analyze the glucose level in blood. This is the analysis of glucose in blood. So here we are using, glucose in presence of gluconic acid converted in glucose oxidase, it's converted into gluconic acid and then hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide dissociates, undergoes reaction at the electrodes, ion selective electrode, and gives H+ ions and releases oxygen and then electrons. H+ ions are measured by pH meter, that is the glass electrode, and the potential difference is set up between glass electrode and reference electrode gives, which sends by potentiometric sensor, which analyze the glucose level in blood. Simply easy way, nowadays sugar patients are more, day-to-day diabetic patients are more. Every morning they are analyze, they have to check the glucose level in their blood. For that, this is a simple way to measure. How analysis of urea? So here analysis of urea in serum of urine sample is very common. For this analysis, enzymatic potentiometric sensors or urea biosensors are used. Urea concentration is determined during enzymatic reaction of urea with urease, which release ammonium ions and bicarbonate ions. So this is the formula of urea, NH2, CO, NH2, or NH2 taken twice CO. So everybody knows this is the well-of formula, urea. So here we are adding some amount of water and then H+ ions. So it's in presence of urease enzyme, it converted into the ammonium ion and then bicarbonate ions. Ammonium ion and bicarbonate ion. Urea concentration is determined during enzymatic reaction of urea with urease, which release ammonium ions and bicarbonate ions. So electrode is modified with a gel containing the urease enzyme. This signal is determined by potentiometric biosensor, which sends the presence of urea in different samples. So here we are using urease enzyme in the electrode. With these signals, we can easily identify, analysis of urea in serum, or serum in the sense urine sample or blood serum. So if in the blood serum urea is more, that is the highly toxic. Our kidneys are failed to filter. So for this, I mean, dialysis patients, urine samples, urea will be analyzed. How much is outlet is going on or not. If it is not, I mean, kidneys are not filtered properly, I mean, body will be destroyed, decomposed, toxins are formed. These are the very, very important sensors. Analysis of urea, and then analysis of glucose in blood sugar for various health purpose in the medicine.